open your mouth and say fuck.
Fuck.
Your punishment is barely over yet, you little wet sausage.
Dad, why must you make me suffer like a Jewish person on Christmas?
Because you didn't give me a present for Father's Day.
But Dad, it was Mother's Day.
Shut the fuck up. Now how should I possibly torture you next? I got it, I came up with the best idea ever.
And dare I ask, what is it, Dad?
Simple, it involves that mystery door over there.
What the fuck? I lived here for almost 15 years, how the hell did I never notice that door?
Because you were grounded for so long you hardly were present in the living room. And now, your big surprise is just right behind the glorious door.
Dad, I don't trust you. Your surprises are always bad.
You better get into the motherfucking ass-licking cunt door before I motherfucking kill you, motherfucker, bitch, shit, asshole.
Alright, Dad, you've convinced me. Just please never do that shit again. Whoa, I never thought this room would be so huge.
Well, see you on the other side, Caillou.
Wait, you're coming in with me.
Just wait and see. Now get in the fucking door.
Goddamn, I'm always being thrown by my dad. Now where's the exit? Oh wow, a ladder, I wonder where that leads to. Jesus H. Christ, is this the same underground railroad that Harriet Tubman used to save all those black people or something? No, Dad kept this a secret because he never wanted to show me his ultimate punishment until now. Well, I am not falling for any more of these antics. It is time to get to the bottom of this once and for all. Wait, Dad? So he did follow me here. Uck, he's probably planning on cutting off my penis for the 1000th time. Well, it won't hurt to talk him out of this.
You are grounded, and I wrote, you are grounded, and I wrote, you are grounded, and I wrote, you are grounded.
Hello,
Caillou.
I want to play a game. The 3 train is arriving in 2 minutes. It is up to you to decide if this will be your final stop. You have taken the witness stand many times and railroaded innocent people with your lies, putting them away in jail. Today, it is you who will be railroaded. You have one chance to live. Tear from your mouth the tongue that has so often been used to lie and to deceive. Take a leap of faith and you will live. Only your weight will rip away your lying tongue and save you. Live or die, make your choice.
I like to eat apples and bananas.
Fucking God. Fuck this fucking wall blocking my fucking face. Just fucking great. Caillou, not only did I not get to see your painful demise, but now you got your blood all over my fucking subway.
Dance.
I better see this place spotless in 1 hour or you will have a punishment day tomorrow.
Dance.
And as for you guys, you wanna know the reason why I hired you to help punish Caillou? It's because you're the 3 most shadiest baby show characters of all time. You were the perfect contenders to torture Caillou. But the warning signs were obvious from the start. Thomas, you have a shitty fanbase that shouldn't exist, full of nothing but 30-year-old man children that need to fucking grow up and stop obsessing over you. Peppa Pig, you have caused the downfall of YouTube and have basically removed parody as an option for entertainment. And Barney, for fuck's sake, you didn't even do a single goddamn thing, so guess what? All of you are fired. Get the fuck out of my sight. Holy shit, you guys suck. Well, now that I got that out of the way, it is time for my hot pockets. All this getting angry and torturing Caillou has gotten me an appetite. Hopefully they don't blow up the microwave like last time. Anyway, Caillou, work on your fucking chores, you cunt. Shit. My hot pockets.
I will return. 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 I will return.